In this video, I will show you how to run ads on LinkedIn. Open the LinkedIn website on the browser of your computer. Log into your account or create a new one here. Click on your My Business shown at the top of the screen. Here you have different options shown on screen. Click on Advertise on LinkedIn. It will open a new tab on the browser. Get started with LinkedIn ads here. You can explore the page by scrolling down. It will show you the Create Ad option here. Click on it and it will provide you a form page. You have to write your account name and associate a LinkedIn page. Agree and continue to it. You can create a link by choosing any page. It could be a company, showcase page, or educational institution. Here I have chosen a company and now fill out the given form. You have to provide your name, LinkedIn company, website, industry, and organization type. You can choose a file for your logo from your computer. Now write your tagline. After that, click on Create a Page and you will create your account. You can update your settings by two-step verification. After that, as a campaign manager, you have to provide the campaign name. In Objective, it will provide you with brand awareness. In the audience, you have to select which type of audience you want. Select the profile language. On the right side of the screen, it will show you the forecasted result. You can add an ad format with any single pic or video. Copy your LinkedIn page link and paste it into the given area. Now you can run ads on LinkedIn. Check out the link given in the description to create your account on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.